There are some additional options called variable and link. At first, variable. Simulation can be performed by setting multiple variables. You may have already figured it out. Red or blue arrow is displayed for each item. If the blue arrow is displayed, it means that you can utilize the variable function. As an example, if you want to calculate the VT curve according to the cell gap change, you can use this function. So let's do it. Click the LC layer and click the down button of the thickness. There is a variable, so please click it. After that, move on to the variable tab. The method to set the variables is the same as the way to apply the voltage condition. For example, if you want to calculate from 3 to 4 micrometers at 0.2 step, please enter like this. And then let's check the result. Save the file and then click Run button. You can also check the modified conditions in the confirm variable list here. And then click Continue. When the calculation is completed, 1D viewer automatically appears. Let's output the VT curve according to the cell gap change. Select voltage and transmittance, and then change the thickness as variable. After that, click Plot. The output result is a VT curve according to the cell gap change. Next, let's output the polar chart of contrast according to the cell gap change. For the data, please select Contrast and change the thickness as variable. After that, click Plot. In the variable item, you can check the polar chart result according to the particular thickness. For accurate data analysis, Region Controller is very important. Please click this Region button. I will tell you how to modify the legend setting. In this case, it can be seen that the low contrast value is more dominant than the high contrast. Therefore, let's refine the low contrast values. At first, please click this Delete All button. Just as an example, let's check the range from 0 to 200 at intervals of 10. So from 0 to 200 and delta is 10. After that, please click this Add button. You can see that the region is modified. After that, please click OK button. And then, let's check the result. So, by using the region option, the user can set a specific range effectively to analyze. Let's go back to the 1D program. The next option is a link. It is an advanced function of the variable. Two or more variable conditions can be linked together. I will show you an example. At first, let's remove the previous variable condition for the LC thickness. and then click the top polarizer and change the phi angle as variable. As the same way, click the bottom polarizer and change it as variable. And then when you click the variable tab, you can see the variable conditions for the two polarizers. Please set the specific calculation conditions. For the top polarizer, I will enter like this. And for the bottom polarizer, I will enter like this. So, what is the total number of cases in which the calculation is performed? If you use a variable function, the answer is 9 because 3 multiplied by 3 is total 9 cases. How about using a link option? There will be 3 cases because it is an one-to-one correspondence. And there are some precautions about the link option. The items to be linked are designated with the same name, and the number of variables must be the same. So, to use a link option, first, the same number or letter in the link item is linked to each other. For example, let's link the two conditions with a letter A. Therefore, the condition of the top polarizer and the condition of the bottom polarizer are linked together. And second, the number of variables that you enter in the condition must be the same. In this case, we are using 3 variables and 3 variables, so it makes sense. When everything is done, click Run button. In the conform variable list, you can check the link item as follows, here and here. However, I will not check the link result. Please check by yourself. So, until now, we have checked the variable and link options.